Next is going to be a perfect conversation between the two person. What is the situation means catching up with a friend. Okay, so here are two character involves. What is the first character means Henry, and it is a Ron. Henry and Ron is going to do a conversation. So about the phone conversation, to asking no to asking what the phone call actually, what happened phone call, about the phone call, not as much detail about the phone call to the friend. Okay, so that is the catching up with a friend. So Henry, I was on the phone for an hour. So what is the meaning for I was on the phone for an hour means you was finished your phone call talking. So it is a past sentence. You just see how you want to tell the past sentence. See here, was. Okay, so I was on the phone for an hour. It's showing that you were finished the phone call, but you were at the phone call for an hour. That is, it's showing for your 1 hour you are in the phone call. Okay, so next Ron is saying, who were you talking to for hour? Okay, who you are talking, whose you are talking. So who were you talking for an hour? So the Henry is saying I was talking for an hour means that is he finished talking. So the Ron is asking, so you said that you are talking for an hour, who were you talking? Okay, so Henry is answering, Sam, an old friend from college. That is, he is introducing his friend name as Sam, and he also mentioning who he is. Okay, he is mentioning he is an old friend from the college. And the Ran is telling, when is the last time you talked to him? So he asking, no, why he asking the question means that is the Henry was talking for for 1 hour. So he is asking, so when is the last time you talked to him? So the Henry is answering at the college graduation. Okay, so Henry is talking to the Sam at the last talking was happens on the college graduation. So Naran is coming with the answer. Wow, that was 30 years ago. So he was talking after 30 years. So only he take for 1 hour. Okay. And the Henry is saying, we had a lot of catching up to do. So we had a lot of catching up to do means it was telling about what happening in the past, present, and what you are going to do in the future. So both the Henry and the Sam were analyzed about everything was happens throughout the 30 years life. They're going to tell the story actually, or not the Henry is narrated, or not Sam is narrated what happens 30 years. They just highlighted the important facts what happens, or important things which happens in the 30 years life. Okay, so this is a very simple conversation between the two friends, was asking what actually you speak for an hour. Okay, so this is not what going to happen in your life, or this same conversation not going to be happen in your life. So what is the reason I am taking the conversation means just listen the sentence and just read the sentence and think when you want to do have to put was, is, or, where. Okay, you want to do the present and past sentences carefully. You want to see the present and past sentence carefully. So this is also a method of telling you how to conversate in your how to tell the story what happens on the past. Okay, so this is a way. So I'm not taking the conversation actually what this conversation is same same type of conversation is not going to happen in your life, but just see the sentences. Okay, rather you're seeing as a conversation. If you see as a sentences, you can learn more things. For example, see this, I was on the phone call for an hour. So this is a way of telling that you were talking to your friend for up to 1 hour. So this is a way of telling. Okay, if somebody, your friend is talking to the talking in a phone for so long time, so you can also ask the same question, who were you talking for an hour? Okay, so we definitely will ask. If somebody is talking for nearly 1 hour, we definitely ask. We will not, no, we will not have a, no, but because of Yentu, we not ask. We always think, was it anything problem? He was talking for an half an hour. We always think on that way. So there is nothing wrong in asking that who were you talking for an half an hour. If it will be a close friend to you, so this is a way of asking who were you talking for an hour. So an hour means it's mentioning a 1 hour. Okay, so these are the simplest way of expressing your thoughts to your friend. Okay, so this conversation, not only a conversation, if you see as a sentences, it's going to be help you a lot.